Okay, let's start the demo. The first shortcuts we're going to show you is how to create your task into your base with Siri. Hey Siri, create task.
What is task?
Prepare shortcuts demo. And now it's done, and the task has just been directly created into my Airtable base. And now let's have a look into its status in the base. But note it, we don't need to use our hands. We don't need many processes. We can just use Siri to do that. Hey Siri, open task table. So this is actually the second shortcut, which allows you to use Siri to control Airtables and directly open the task table that you wanted. We can see that the task record that we just created use Siri has been successfully saved into the Airtable base. And we can see that the task name is just what I speak to the Siri. And but noted there's this small miss that the due date and time field, they are not being filled. That's okay, because this shortcut is for use when you want just to quickly create a brief task into your base. But sometimes you will want to create a task with more details. So that's the third shortcut. Hey Siri, create task with detail.
What is task?
Prepare follow-up meeting.
What is importance?
Top 3.
What is due date?
Today. We can see that the search shortcut, it will prompt us for that for us to create a task, and not only the task name, it will also asking us for the due date and the importance. So this is the search shortcut, create task with details, and it allows you to input more fields when using Siri to create tasks. And actually every field is configurable in the shortcuts. And for example, you don't want to be prompt for the importance, you want to be prompt for the time, it's okay, and you can just configure it in the shortcut. And let's have a look at the first shortcut. The first shortcut is because many users they are using HumanOS for time tracking for better productivities, but which means that they need to manually create a lot of records into set that time tracking tables. But actually we can use Siri. Hey Siri, time tracking.
What is name?
Join webinar.
What is start?
10 o'clock.
What is category?
Deep work.
What is mode?
Team meeting.
What is date?
Today. So that's it. We have created a time record for the time tracking tables. Now let's use Siri to open that tables. And this is the fifth shortcut. Hey Siri, open time tracking table. And we have just opened the time tracking tables, and we can see that this record that we are created using Siri has successfully been saved into the time tracking tables. And we just opened time tracking table using Siri. So everything is using Siri. There's no manual work at all. And look at, we just create a task in the task tables and create a detailed task in the task table and create a time tracking record. But notice that in every process, we didn't use our hands, we just use Siri, and Siri helps us to do every manual boring work. So the last shortcut I want to share with you is that one of the most heavy users in the HumanOS is that you are going to write journal every day, and which means that every day you need to open the HumanOS Airtable app and create a journal of that day. And so what if we can just use the shortcut to do that? And let me cue the Airtable app and hey Siri, daily journal. And you can see that this shortcut will just open the Airtable app, and it will check that if there's a journal record in our base. If not, it will create it for us and directly open it to our home screen. So we don't need to find the Airtable app and manually click to touch to open that tables, and everything is being done using Siri. And notice that this is very intelligent Siri shortcut. And here we have already created today's journals, and let's try to run the shortcut. Hey Siri, daily journal. And we can see that it also just help us directly open the daily journal record that we wanted, but it will intelligently check if there's already existing record. If there is, it will not create a new one, but directly open it. So it helps you to prevent creating duplicate journal in your base. I know it's very cumbersome. So that's the shortcut. That's the first shortcut we built for HumanOS, and all of them are based on series and will help you to skip all the manual work.